Today on the rural project, we're dragging down some of these felled trees and pulling them into the wood processing area. And one of the things I want to get done is get some of these trees dragged down. So let's get into it. So what we're going to do, we're going to connect the excavator with a combination of ropes and chains and straps up to all the trees that are laid on the floor up the hill that you can see in the middle of the picture, and we'll then use the power of the excavator to drag them down the hill. Okay, so that's all of that cleared. Let's start working on now. I think I'll leave that big log for now. I can't see that I'm going to be able to drag it sideways without trashing that wood stack. What I'll do now is I'll start see if I can get some chains on these and get these dragged down, get them out of the way, create a bit of room, and I'll be able to get these, if I get these big ones pulled down, I'll then be able to get those really long ones pulled out of the way. Right, let's get into that. For the next big one, we've got a bit of a concoction of chains trying to make up some length, so we've got a big strap on there. 2-link chain, doubled over, and back to a second chain, back to the excavator. Let's just take a look at this one that we're going to pull down now. It's quite a size. It's got a bit of a flat back end where it branches out there, forks, so hopefully once I pull it, it's not actually just going to start rolling. Shouldn't do, but we'll see. Okay, so we've got the double chain arrangement on again. There's a fair bit of length in this one. Still tied up in the other dead tree there as well. Once we've got this one down, the last big one that'll need dragging with a chain with the excavator will be this one here. All these other branches, I think I can bring them down with the capstan winch. Fingers crossed we'll be getting this job actually complete today. Looking in the middle there, there's quite a few decent sized logs there, some nice firewood logs. Okay, so that one's dragged down. Got hooked up on the first tree I took, so dragged them both down together. But get the chains off, get the chainsaws out and cut these branches up, and then we'll stack these. So this is an interesting one. I've got the tree suspended with the excavator, as you can see, but the far end of the tree is resting on the floor. So I wasn't too sure whether the top of the tree was in compression or tension. Did a couple of cuts, realised it was actually in tension, so basically I should have been able to cut in right from the top all the way through. But as it started to sag and drop, it actually twisted. As you can see, resulting in me yet again getting the bar stuck. Luckily this time easily rectified, just a quick bit of movement on the excavator and the chainsaw comes free. The wood pile full. Magpie's in straight away, see what worms he can get. So what I've got left now is a fair few rounds and yeah, quite a lot of sticks and smaller stuff. So what I'll do, I'll get up in there and with a chainsaw cut it up. There's a few saplings there that need to come down as well. I'll kind of get a lot of that gathered together and try and pull it down with the capstan winch. I think that'll be easier. Get a rope around 10 or 12 branches and pull them all down in one go. Oh, I won't be far off done. So let's get into that now. So when I'm trying to drag a bundle of wood down, this is the way I do it. So as you can see, I'll lay the rope out. And I'll do this with a small stick because I'm one-handed, but I get some of the larger ones and lay them in place like that. Get a huge bundle and then pull the whole lot together with a rope and drag it down in one go. Simple as that, and then take the rope down to the capstan winch, pull the whole bundle down. So this is it now, finished. Got a drag mark, so I've moved all the trees and wood down. Pretty much picked everything up that I need to pick up now. Put it all in the wood pile. So the next job, where the car is over there, just to the left of it, I'm going to build a small enclosure just pushed into the hill. So I'll excavate out, put a couple of posts in the corner and put a small retaining wall in. And I can use that as a loose wood pile, or it may even be a location for the buckets and tools for the excavator. Get them off the road and get them out of the way. And I'll do the next job.